Want to know a great test that you can do at home right now that will show you how healthy you actually are? I'm Shauna Dingman. I'm the owner of Elevate Women's Health Center in Port Perry. And over the last 2.5 decades and literally thousands of patients, I've learned a thing or two about how to create wellness and longevity using chiropractic care. So I'm going to show you one of the key tests that we do in our examination for every new patient when they come in. It's a balance test, and it's called the heel to toe test. Why do we do it? How does it connect to chiropractic? And most of all, why does this matter as far as your longevity? Well, your balance center is found sort of right at the base of your skull. And because it's so close to your neck or your cervical spine, when people come in with problems in the joints of their cervical spine or their neck, when they can't move their neck or they have problems in their neck, often it creates problems in their balance. Why does this matter? Because as we get older, our bodies, our brains find it harder and harder to compensate for those balance issues, and we start to see more problems with balance. As a senior citizen, it's really important that you've got good stability in your balance, because as you go from hardwood to carpet, for example, or in and out of a bathtub or shower, as you're walking across those, the cracks in the pavement, as you're walking along the sidewalk, your body, your brain has to have the ability to catch yourself if you lose balance. If not, there's a big risk of falling. You probably know this, but as an older person, falling and breaking something from falling, it's the kiss of death. It's one of the most common reasons that older people will die. It's not the fracture itself, but it's the complications from the fracture. So we want to know if you have balance issues right now, we want to see what we can do to help things. And if part of the problem is coming from issues in your neck, we can adjust, and that can help you to stay more balanced. So here's the test. What you're going to do is give yourself some space. You need to have a space where you can walk 4 or 5 steps. So I'm going to back up a little bit. You're going to practice. What you're going to do is walk heel to toe. So my heel is touching my toe as I'm coming along. You can look anywhere you want. You can have your hands anywhere you want. You should be able to do that and not feel like you're going to fall over. Okay, this is the actual test. Now you're going to back up to where you started. You're going to do the same thing, but you're going to do it with your eyes closed. So when you don't have the help of your visual system, you are relying almost entirely on your balance center. So this is a really good indicator of how balanced you actually are. So close your eyes, give yourself a second, and then take those 4 to 5 steps heel to toe. You should be able to do that fairly smoothly without feeling like you're going to fall over. Okay, and if you do feel like you're going to fall over, if you only take a step or two and you're falling this way, it may be that something's going on in your neck and you need to have that addressed. It's much better to address it now when you're younger, and we can give you specific adjustments and home exercises to do that will help, rather than realize it when you're older and you have a fall. So try that out at home, see how it goes for you. If you're having a hard time with it, it may be time to book an examination with your chiropractor. If you have any questions at all, just feel free to go to my website and you can message me through the website. Have an awesome day and good luck with your heel to toe test.